Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are doing poem appreciation for 12th Maharashtra boards. We'll be seeing the poem Indian Weavers by Sarojini Naidu. It's the second poem of section 2 of English textbook. So let's get started. I have written it like this, but you can write it in paragraph format. I have provided you with brief introduction to the poet as well as the poem. You can write it briefly in the introduction so that the teacher comes to know that you know about the poem. Also, I have written here about the rhyme scheme. It's important to mention it in the appreciation. Next comes central idea. This should be short and precise, and you have to sum up the poem in the central idea. Here I have given you briefly first, second and third stanza. This information will be useful for you to write about the poem shortly. Also see that I have highlighted the important points. You can memorize them and they will be really useful for you to solve the question paper. Next comes figures of speech. I have mentioned the figures of speech in the poem. You have to check it from the stanza which lines are those, and favorite lines you can write as per your choice. And why I like the poem, here always give a positive feedback. It's good for your marks. You can take screenshots, or if you want I will provide a PDF for you in the description box. If you want a PDF, please write it in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Also, if you like it, share it with your friends so that it will be helpful for them.